Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 21st, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Monday, October 24th through Friday, October 28th is our elementary scholastic book fair. Students will come home with a wish list of items. Parents can send in cash, checks, or establish an e-wallet for their student. Thursday, November 8th is a teacher workday. No school for students. Picture day for kindergarten through second grade and middle school is November 15th. Grades 3 to 5 and high school will be on November 16th. Students must wear uniforms in these pictures. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 25th. Here's a message from our administration.
Greetings, PBMA family. This is Ms. Stone, the principal of the secondary campus. Just a few quick reminders. On October 25th, we will have the second testing for the PSAT. This is our makeup day for any students that were absent. This is for our 10th graders as well as select 11th graders that need a concordance score for their Algebra 1 EOC. On October 27th, our seniors will participate in their SAT testing as well. Parents, recently I posted a message on Jupiter that I want to reiterate. If you are having issues or questions about your students' grades or you need hints and tips on how to push them further academically, please be sure to first reach out to the teacher of that class. In the event that you are unable to contact the teacher, please feel free to call the front office in order to schedule an interview with myself, an assistant principal, and the teacher. All staff members can be contacted at our email addresses, which is our first initial, last name at pbmalantana.org. We look forward to hearing from you and would love to continue the academic success and rigor that has made PBMA Secondary successful.
Hello PBMA families. My kindergarten through third grade parents have received an email from me explaining the Monique Burr Foundation for Children curriculum that our entire school, including middle and high school, receive about child and teen safety. We start at a young age so they know the 5 safety rules. Safety rule number 1, know what's up. Safety rule 2, spot red flags. Safety rule 3, make a move. Safety rule 4, talk it up. Safety rule 5, no blame, no shame, all dealing with safety. Next week, I'll be going into the 4th and 5th grade classrooms about safety and the red flags of peer pressure and substance misuse. Next week is also Red Ribbon Week across our country, where we teach the importance of living drug-free. We encourage everyone to wear red on Monday to kick off the week. The theme this year is celebrating life. We want each student to be responsible with their body because their life and safety matters. Please continue these conversations with your child so they know who their safe adults are. Thank you for your support.
We dedicated our elementary media center to our executive director, Ms. Terciaro. Ms. T has been an integral part of PBMA for 22 years as our principal and executive director, and she is largely responsible for our growth and success. Let's take a look at our surprise for her.
Right?
Ms. Terciaro, we are presenting and dedicating the Media Center to you for all your years at PBMA and growing us into the successful educational institution that we are. We're all forever thankful, and we are calling it the Ms. Terciaro Media Center. So we're going to give you the scissors, and we're going to be cutting the ribbon to open the Media Center. Before you cut though, Ms. Bartlett, could you come up, please? Oh my God. So Ms. Bartlett, you can stand right here. Ms. Bartlett is our very first media specialist here at PBMA. She set the books up and decorated it and made it our PBMA Media Center. the Miss Turchiaro Media Center. So we're thankful for all your hard work. And you are now an integral part of our school, and we're very thankful for you. So we have this for you. And if you would do the honors.
Thank you. So I just want to take a minute to thank everyone. This is a most spectacular honor. I never thought I would live to see a media center named after me. I want to thank Ms. Smith, and I want to thank everybody at the elementary campus. And there just are no words for this. Thank you to all of the 22 years of parents and students and teachers and administrators that have come through Palm Beach Maritime Academy, and I know we're going to last another 100 years. Thank you so, so, so much. Thanks.
Ms. Robinson wants to share what's going on in Aftercare.
Hi, my name is Ms. Robinson, Aftercare Director. We would like to give you some information on our upcoming events. On November 7th, we will be hosting our Donuts with Dudes. This will be any dads, brothers, uncles, cousins, grandpas. Come out and eat a donut with your child. This will be $5 per dude. Please RSVP by November 1st. Please get your payments to the front office, and if you have any questions, please email me.
4th and 5th grade classes are visiting Grassy Waters. The students went dip netting to search for tiny invertebrates that live buried in the marsh. Students also got wet on an off-boardwalk adventure through the Everglades, where they learned about the importance of wetlands resources. Our 5th graders are working hard in STEM class. They are applying what they've learned about physics to design and build bottle rockets out of recycled materials. Once they are done, they get to launch their incredible creations. Rocket science is easy and fun. Just ask them. In secondary art this week, we are designing our dream homes. We will be doing floor plan blueprints, a color rendition of what the home and landscape will look like as a 3D design model of the house plans. The first step is to make a plan with all the details of the house. The second step is drawing up the floor plans. The last step will be to color a rendition of the home and landscape. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.